Here I have some examples of what I see on Instagram collection. This time I used Cellebrite to do that collection. And here you can see my contacts on Instagram. There's also some location data and it shows all the media collections. Now, the interesting thing here with Cellebrite, using an AI breaks down all the images by specific topics that it sees in those pictures. So, for example, you can see there's beach. So it's pulling any pictures of a beach or camera or cigarette, things that may be interesting that an investigator would look for. So it kind of helps you narrow down the search a little bit. And also breaks everything down very nicely to show the videos separated from the pictures. It shows your timeline. It'll have all your comments. That's what you can see at the bottom right where it says social media. And under that, it says Instagram. That will show all the interactions for that time frame that I collected from. And as I said, having multiple tools is the best way to ensure that the most data is collected and the right data is collected from our standpoint. Now, location data can also be collected, and that's going to be every time you post a picture or something and you tag your location in that picture, they will be able to pull that data. So if an investigation is looking into when a person was at a certain location, this is definitely going to be helpful.